Alright guys, we're gonna be running some URGENEX 2200s. They sent us a couple for the Poor Boys Challenge, so we're gonna, first run I like to charge and then discharge them. I got a couple of the old ones, last year's and this year's, and we're gonna be running a triple threat today, triple header. Gonna get the girls out. We're gonna be running the SUBIDA, the Rapid QR130 or Q130, and then the Remo Hobbies Rocket, Remo Rocket. And you notice that these batteries are like perfect for these cars. They fit in there exactly the way they need to. The doors close perfect. You almost don't even need a clip with a lot of them. Not just these, but the HBXs and the PX-TOYS. So we're going to get these out today, and it's going to be Lauren, my niece, and myself. My niece will be riding the SUBIDA, and Lauren will pick between the Remo and the Q, and we'll get out there and have some fun. Hopefully enjoy. These are, again, this is a year. We've had these just about a year, and they're all held up. We've had one problem that I've replaced with one of the other, the gantry, which is pretty much the same as this, just a different body setup, so same controller and everything. So we'll get them out, and best of 10, we'll see where it goes. We got a youngster to do the marshalling today, but they'll all have the URGENEX. We're just waiting on the last one to charge, and I'm gonna get the girls, and we're gonna go have some fun. Hopefully you guys dig. All these fit in there awesome. I got rock. I'll be right back. We'll get them going. These are all brushed too. Alright, we're time to go. Ellison's going to be running the SUBIDA. Wait, let me share on video. Yeah, I am. Yep. So, Ellison's going to do the SUBIDA. Lauren's going to be doing, make sure your controllers are working. Is it working? There we go.
Let's turn on the controllers.
No, that one's got a button right there. Ooh. And that's the Remo Rocket.
The race is on, huh?
Yep, and you got to put a couple of these on, Lauren.
I can do that.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, you have to have a couple. And I'll be using the Q130.
Your guys just look almost exactly the same.
And they're very, very different.
Yeah.
They run a lot different. What?
I have some mud on my.
Yeah, we were running them, huh?
Oh, what's on
Grab his bacon doors. Alright, I just gotta find my. Now, all these are almost a year old. I got them all about the same time a year ago, and they're all still running. Nice.
Same thing with mom.
You got it, Lauren? Okay, here's another one. These are like rubbery, so it's like a real stadium truck as opposed to.
It says its name's Colada, yet it looks like gorillas.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's
Let's
go!
go!
Let's go to the races. Is that your car?
She probably got her trigger on.
Oh, it's my car.
Oh, you might have to adjust it.
Adjust what?
The throttle. Like, you know how it does.
There you go.
There you go. Alright. So you guys ready? What are we doing? Just outside ring. Keep it simple. Alright, you guys ready? Mark, get set, go! So far, I'm the only one on my wheels still. Oh, I had to smoke too soon. Yeah, I know, right? They're going. You lose your body. Yeah.
I'm the only one with my foot off.
Huh, something's wrong with the... I'm stuck in the grass.
Yeah,
there's Allison. Go bodyless. All of a sudden you're flying. It's Velcro. Just leave it off. What? No, I'm not. Oh, I tried to knock it over. Oh, we're all on our backs. How's it running, Lauren? What? Got it? Brake! Hold on. All you little people.
Hey. I'm a kid.
I know. Go ahead! Alright.
Am I on the inside?
Whoa! Where'd you go from, Lauren?
I was looking at your car.
You thought I was you. I'll get you, babe. Remo rocket! So, I would say no matter which one you... I'm not sure how much of a race this is, but it's fun nonetheless. Whoa! Go, Allison! Holy crap! I knocked you over. Oh. Coming to get you!
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am!
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am!
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am! Bam! I got you! Whoa! Almost took my feet out! Holy cow! Coming back for you. Oh!
Hi, you missed me.
I'm gonna get Lauren this time. Bashers! Bam! You can totally do crash up derby with these. I think I broke a diff. It likes to slip on the one side a lot, and then all of a sudden it'll catch. It's like it's got a couple bad teeth. Might be time to do some TLC on all these. It's been a year. Whoa! Ha! Almost got you, Allison.
I cannot tell.
Whoa! That was good! Oh! Did yours turn off? Oh no, you got that one. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I completely lost track. What? Bam! So fun. Whoa, that was smasher. Yeah, the 7.0 body, the Velcro.
Yeah, it's Velcro.
Yeah.
You can't pin it on.
Whoa, right over the top. That was awesome. Whoa, Elsa, that was awesome. Whoa. Oh. Just spinning. Spinning, spinning, spinning. Whoa, that was a nice kick flip. And again, these are all with the URGENEX Steams 2-packs. They're like on sale right now for like 30 bucks. Use our, I think we got a promo code on their website. Ha, watch out, I'm coming through. I'll get it, Lauren. Is it running good?
Yep, it's fine.
I love the Remo. What? Yeah, all crazy? Yeah, like it just bounces all over the place.
Stay on the track. It's just like,
Yeah.
you feel like you're in no control.
No, yeah, it's total bouncing. We need to, if to get it right, we'd have to do new shocks. You know what I mean? Because these are pretty cheap shocks. No, yeah, it's an awesome car. They're kind of supposed to be that way a little bit. This thing just spins. And then I get on the carpet and it's like,
Yeah, no, this one doesn't look good.
it's the tires. If we put the WL tires on it. Whoa, that was a good jump, Lauren. Now, these batteries we runted yesterday, the year-old ones, not the new ones we just got. and they literally lasted all day. Not, you know, constant, but anytime somebody wanted to play, I didn't go and recharge them. They just kind of lasted a good 45 minutes, probably, hour. And then I charged them this morning. I think we're done racing, but we're just playing. More crash up derby than racing. I know. They're just so fun. Like, these are perfect for kids. Like, your first car for your, like, you know, 8-10-year-old boy. Whoa, that was close. It's just chaos. What? I know, I gotta get out of it. Whoa. Let me see what we got going on. Stop running. You got a bone. You got a dog bone out.
Let go of the trigger. What's in it?
I don't know. It's just ticking. I'm not surprised we have a gantry front end on that. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to give these some TLC after today. It's been a year, these cars.
Mine is slowing down.
Yeah. It's probably your gear. Anyways, hopefully you guys dig. We're going to keep playing, but I'm going to turn the camera off now. Of course. These are monsters. Any one of these... Oh, battery fell out. Alright, good place to turn the boat. Turn the... Yep. Remember this, anytime you run out of an alligator or a RC clip, you can do that. So. Ah! It's okay. Ooh, hot. Alright, mine needs to cool anyways.